Hey beauties, it's Riri. Today's video is my Allure beauty box for the month of October. If you are unfamiliar with the Allure beauty box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box for $25. You're supposed to receive 6+ items. 3 of those items are full size. I think $25 for the box is a fantastic price. I will note that Allure beauty box is geared more toward skincare, I have personally found, whereas some other boxes like Chic Beauty Box are maybe focused more on makeup. So let me grab a scissor, which I should have done before I started filming. If you're new here, I hope you'll stick around and subscribe and become part of my beauty family. I do also have a massive 3,500 subscriber giveaway going on, you guys, so I will definitely link that. I'll pop it right here in the iCards, and it's also going to be linked in the description box below. So we're going to dive in. You always receive a little informational pamphlet each time. And you'll typically have some type of like coupons or something like that. I typically see like a HelloFresh thing in here. This says fall for the member store. Use code HelloFall10 for an extra 10% off your next purchase at the member store. And I just saw there's a code that you can use. I'll pop it right here that you can get $15 off your first box if you order before October 31st, I think. I'll put all the deets right here. So your first box is going to be $10. So anyways, let me stop rambling and dive in. Oh my goodness. I have been wanting one of these, you guys. It is a Kristen S. Hair, the oversized satin scrunchie. And that's a big boy too, y'all. Oh man, hold on. I put my scissors back. Give me 1 second again. Sorry, y'all. Yeah, also if you're new, it's a little bit of a shit show around here. We are who we are. We're proud of who we are. This is a come as you are channel. This is a safe space for everybody. So let me cut this off because I actually got rid of all of my hair stuff a few years back when I shaved my head. So now that my hair is growing out, I've had to start repurchasing items, and I've been wanting just a big, fluffy, oversized, like, hair scrunchie. This is so nice. It's so pretty. I think it's perfect for fall. Peep the nails. I love them, and they glow in the dark. So I'm going to take this one out, and I do typically use satin scrunchies. I do have pretty thick hair, so I'm hoping this will work for me. I love it! I love it, I love it, I love it. Look, we're already off to a bang, and I just ordered some, and it was like $13 for 2, maybe? Something like that. So I think that's a super fair price to add it into something like this. Here's the HelloFresh thing that I typically see. Next up is actually a product that I recently purchased, and it is in my bag, my overnight bag. When I go to see my son, I keep it in there, and it has been fantastic for the entire summer. So, fantastic product. This is the Fab or First Aid Beauty, the Anti-Chafe Stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal, and it is safe for sensitive skin. And I, TMI, put it underneath the bosoms. I have very large breasts, and I put it underneath like my lower tummy area, in between my thighs. So if you do have issues with chafing, I highly, highly recommend y'all. I'm so excited about this box already. Next up is, I should have worn my glasses. I cannot see this part up here, but it says Masking and Relaxing, a moisturizing scalp mask. Moisturize, balance, and detox. I cannot personally read that right there because I do not have my glasses on, so I'm really sorry. And I think I am going to start, I know that it can be a little bit, there you go, hopefully you guys can see that. I know it can be a little bit distracting if somebody's wearing glasses, but y'all, I have horrible vision. Like, I cannot read what this says. So, moving forward, I think, unless obviously I'm doing makeup, but if I'm doing unboxings, I'm just going to wear my glasses, and it's just going to be what it is. Next up is a Flannery Lily Bloom Hyaluronic Vivifying Serum. I've never heard of a Vivifying serum, and it looks like a pretty good size as well. And this is massive. This is like 4 fluid ounces, and it does say for all hair types too. That's pretty cool. There's stuff still in here. Next is something in bubble wrap, which is usually a good sign. It says Clean Beauty Epic Skincare. Now I'm even more intrigued. Oh, I don't know what this is, but oh my gosh. This says Tease, T-E-E-E-Z, Suit of Armor, Don't Blush Me Blush. And it looks like a burnt toasty color, which, if you know, you know. They are my all-time favorite. Should we try some? I need the scissors again. It'll be okay, y'all. I've never heard of this brand. If you have, let me know. Oh my, beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna have to try a little tiny bit, y'all. Oh, that's pigmented. I don't know if you're really gonna be able to see it because I kind of already have something slightly toasty on. Ooh, baby, that is pretty. Ooh. That's a little too much, perhaps. Oh. Love it. This box is a banger so far. So good. We just have 2 more products in here, y'all. Next up is the Caudalie, the Premier Cru, the Eye Cream. And then last, but certainly not least, in this banger of a box is the Style Edit Root Concealer. Oh, instantly covers grays for extended color life. And it's in medium brown. Okay, I mean, I didn't know I needed it, but now I feel like I need it. That is, you guys, I love this box. We have our blush, our chafe stick, our eye cream, our Vivifying Serum. We'll read up on everything. Our hair product, the Masking and Relaxing, a Moisturizing Scalp Mask by somebody. And then the Style Edit Root Concealer. And then, of course, our little pamphlets and stuff like that. So, let's read up on our stuff really quickly. All right. The TPH. Sorry, y'all. Masking and Relaxing Scalp Mask. I love the color, too. Yellow's my favorite color. Why you'll love this. Having this bright yellow bottle in your shower is a friendly reminder that your scalp is skin, which means it needs a deep clean in the same way that you use a detoxifying face mask. This weekly treatment is infused with kaolin clay to absorb dirt and excess oil, plus aloe to soothe irritation. The retail price is $11.99 for 4 ounces, and that is a full size for $11.99. Next up, we have our Flannery product. This is the Flannery Vivifying Serum. Why you'll love it. This hyaluronic acid is known as a hydration powerhouse and is the star ingredient in this intensely nourishing formula. With help from antioxidant-rich jojoba oil and moisturizing glycerin, skin will feel as soft as silk with consistent use. Retail price is $79 for 1 ounce. I would not pay that, but I'm happy to have it in a box that I only paid $25 for. And it also has a promo code, you guys. Receive 25% off with code Allure25, valid from October 1st. Okay, I'll update you. I'm actually finishing up my Dr. Brandt one. It is almost empty, and I've really been loving that one. Next was our Caudalie, the Primer Cru Eye Cream. They say the eyes have it, but last we checked, that did include dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. So it does for me, honey. To keep you looking bright-eyed, Caudalie's Luxe Cream pampers the delicate skin in this area with plumping hyaluronic acid and hydrating avocado oil. Retail price is $28 for 5 mils. That is $28. So that right there is the price of our box. But if you get it on that code, you get $15 off. So I think that's a great deal. Next was our Fab product. This is the First Aid Beauty Anti-Chafe Stick with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. Why you'll love it. This stick doesn't require any warming up, literally, before using it. It glides like a duck on water along sensitive inner thigh skin, or booby skin, or lower tummy skin. A layer or two of First Aid Beauty's non-greasy formula shields skin from irritation with hydrating shea butter and soothing colloidal oatmeal. Retail price is $20 for 1.7 ounces. And this is 0.35 ounces. This is the size I have too. I think I got it from Ulta, maybe, I think. There is a code also with this. Receive 20% off your entire purchase plus free shipping with the code Fab Allure 20. And then next was this blush. So beautiful. The Tease Cosmetics Suit of Armor Don't Blush Me Blusher in Mauve. That don't really look mauve to me. But okay, I mean, I could be wrong. I'm wrong a lot. Why you love it. This mauve pink powder does an excellent job of mimicking the same healthy, rosy flush you get from a run-in a run in the park or on a brisk October day, but without the sweat. And retail price is $22. Again, almost the cost of the box. There's also a discount code for here. Receive 20% off all purchases with code Allure20, valid October 1st through December 1st. Oh, the scrunchie. The scrunchie too, y'all. Forgot all about that. Darn it. The Kristen S. oversized scrunchie in cheetah or rust. I'm going to try to see if I know somebody that got the rust one, because I might get that, or see if it's in the member shop and get that one too. While you'll love it, upgrading your hair accessory can make a basic ponytail look like you made a whole lot of effort. This Tie's silky fabric is perfect for pulling hair back without creating the dreaded crease. That said, don't underestimate the hold. Allure editors can confirm that it is sturdy enough to wear during a workout. And that is $11.99. It says where to buy this item, Target.com, just in case you were interested. Then, last but not least, don't know how I forgot about that because I love it so much. The Style Edit Root Concealer Touch-Up Spray in medium blonde, medium brown, dark brown, or you could have gotten auburn, and I got medium brown. While you'll love it, you can plan to push back your next color appointment. A spritz of Style Edit's spray temporarily conceals grays and roots to extend time between dye jobs. This is $14.99 for 0.75 ounces. So this is a full size also for $14.99. There's also a code here, a nice code too. Buy on Amazon.com. Receive 35% off of all products through them with the code Allure35. Yeah, look, I gotta do it again. Round of applause. They did the damn thing. This is a fabulous box. I love everything in here. And normally y'all know I'm like, hey, I'm not gonna keep all this, and then you'll see it in a giveaway down the line. I love everything. I think this is a fantastic box. Definitely got my bang for my buck. $25 for all of this. I am so excited. Have you tested any of these? Are any of these your favorites? Are you looking forward to trying any of these products? Comment down below. Let me know. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.